5 Creative Hanging Shelving Idea for Small Bathroom.
1. Floating baskets on the wall. Your wire baskets must be tired from sitting on the floor all the time. Come up with a groundbreaking revolution by turning them into floating shelves to store your toilet papers, towels and your shower caddies.
Mount them into the wall with screws and drywall anchors.
Use washers and a drill to secure them in place. This creative hanging shelf idea for small bathroom is a complete no-brainer. 2. Archetype of coziness.
Wooden shelves really are practical and go well in pretty much any room.
If you are looking for simple towels and shower caddies storage, then you might want to install open shelves from wood boards. Everyone has basic supplies such as screws, nails, drill and measuring tape lying around at home, so you literally only need to get woods. You need to build support frames and glue them together first.
Stain your board or paint them with the color of your choice. Attach your frames to the wall by screwing them into studs and glue the top shelf piece to both shelves with liquid nails.
You can put your towels and wicker baskets there, or simple little toiletries.
Basically anything.
3. Don't throw your old pallets. If you have an empty space above your sink and are wondering what to put there to make it less basic, we highly recommend you to build these easy floating shelves out of pallet. Create wood strips from your pallet by removing the center pieces with the back of a hammer. Reuse the center of the wood strips and nail them to the side of the pallet, which will later become the bottom of one of the shelves, then sew off each end of the pallet. Be careful when choosing what color to paint your shelves, and make sure it matches the entire design style of your bathroom.
Pick a light to medium gray stain for a beach white, nautical look, or medium English chestnut brown if you are going for a rustic look. 4. One tiered shelf above the sink.
That little gap between your cabinet and sink is a potential spot for more storage. If you have a wooden plank at home, repurpose it as an additional space to store your lotions, toothbrush, toothpaste and face cleanser. Mount it on the wall with brackets, or you can opt for compartments instead for a more substantial slotted box. 5. Wall of baskets. Another way of finding different use for your baskets. Make simple shelves by hanging your baskets on a rod. First, hang 2 parallel rods or towel bars. Next, simply fasten the baskets with a rope, or cut some ribbon and thread it through your baskets and tie them to the rods.